tabung takena chache kagi kamayurai kamancharai okera be waji yimina isama ngusne kanse owela o vice president ala chief Samsumana oye arriva par le poteau à clause 56B car à Boza Keren car 2023 en APC car etoye sidangani o enaba benei yi etoya sidanga e à Boza Keren tofima par 1991 constitution kati kono ko moyi e presidential candidate ka apatina APC Samsumana o tamsanti ka pai ampani otbaki na inkai an PPRC PP empathy an tapi tsura akene ki ma pa bote le pota pa clause 56B oye kono obamla ne pa kono otemo panei kai Sam Church press conference di doko to ne perfect ka pai oye mai como chimora bana na ka sotoi a flag bearer adika APC kama pane motela mihengi pipo pane mi doko ne chori koi a chopoto eka onloko bolo ne do kilmaoni hanga onloko awura kwa kritiko mo pat mongi the vice president ka 2015 all chief of staff owe laika a vice president Brema Michael Turenye konongi konele chori tata ipe ateka pa Samsumana katswa kare ne ka 1962 akomko karo kono hana mo kerano kampi ha ko ne ka to aputwe hani oderi ka kare ne ka 2005 oderi running mates o ka so pa maka wa yi ka tilan kitsangane ka fofka o ila o president opoyo tsaya tibi ka bangi ka APC o tsangane manai mai o Kaskom chief Samsumana kangai o kirai matema finongi ame patinga APC antamsamne ame roman kapani ame matema kolomangi ame APC bete kisi when I vice presidency o konom o bae o nenda lui mo koyo somotai ame chepakarai ampatinga APC ka afosanga chakere ka 2028 awa konongi o back la udo na chemo fe kono pago blana ka pai ka karen ka 2028 ka tasono mongi ampatinga APC antibili ka afosanga ti ane kiti baram ta government se masela forum of Islamic Connection ni angi ka kam tofili botemela ki kan to fasoni pi mo apo kasai yi a muslimi ka da bulen keni wontani do apentasari ani akumi on nabi kasbaspa annabi soto prophet Muhammad ka kron nga ko ya fekoi angi afa pati masela maulu nabi pi mo ya po pantami kano kampi ka disi o ai ka takbale lomso mapan mabata makarai afumi akara nga bana urka edina baske ni pasto yi asiat amadi yi asunen kanto fasyen na to la bani ni kayo yi amatipasi ya nya ro up control che round about it ha the no free town central do left football state di da bani me da ko talme ado free town central moski afma bana bata karanti banaka andinai da me la puton klane kantli kewoli ake ade fofofli kurka awli kuran ele raya teni de tori chokulutai akbetasi ari anye akomoda bispai annabi soto o present weka forum of Islamic Organization Justice Alhaji Abubakar Pian koloni kono kori yani passe papier tikapani kale tsamani tsama panta menge motori makolo wai malanya kaunabi yo so tikapani o kade pentas are nya ko mona be ana bisoto antori to kapai ala a muslimi apo ba di o antori ki tanane e mo ne fino ni e onna pika andina ni o kare o akaba opi ake ke fino ki ko noti o secretary general o e kama pane mi issue kusha content kono tori da kulo da ika badi mjini ka toga a muslim o ye mo pane mi mo tori tikapani aneki a muslimi na bay dimdina mo preputin wal kikis annabi soto ani so to ko pani a muslimi a putsara a chimani wala dimdina de ambai a bobo preputin skopini wa panta mi do ani petasa ni bimoy a batismai doi asali kakai botofli mutsara na kika to fam dimdin mudi ka a muslim tabiti ay ka to fasu a statistics Sierra Leone nani a polari afum ska pai apo ben finoni so panta mai kalom ka batka sheti afum ka ken kai 2026 motsemani abe mabaka de kere ambai akala ange antapsana ka pai aprosta mangai ka bantrungulo depi antbilo mo panta dika ofino wateni Duma bane ame ayoi mapa census advocacy committee au statistician general yi afa bana inga statistics Sierra Leone nani kana ko chori pa matsai ame ay makura ne ko chonka chitoni ambaye smawur kane tobu e matel mane tobu wai no tautai ka bama to inka alokomande matsai ni ambaye kawai matsai ni ma paro poto servers tablets power banks echo de barbar and satellite imagery. Alright, and by the put them by monitoring dashboard. He a kasobe pamtay my put district level administrative structure. All statistician general Andrew Bob Johnny, not only Makolomai, Katori Tima Kamananti, or Katsumuni, Kotori Pai, or Kali Lobak Patakan He is sitting and he, Kirasi Lady, why not get yourself me? I have a pantry one month for me, Teme Tamtaderen. Now back to press Global Pantanian. But what's the moment of the no alter campaigning it, Bipi Martin Naka, Soto my machine in it, Pimoy, Unlock myself and I'm speaking me for it. Ostasian, Nasanaka, then Oi. Ankala anite na kama pande mbili pote kankala no pote ayi million $1 million to fat esas no so que pa be ankala so to yi wakano kwa imani nge o tsamsa le pa pimo taso an bakal bato kama pande makalom afom ka patringan o yi eshitan ka antofasu le keni wonsan afan min kana ponga kerai sibula sikara no tsabo bta akera o lai of Vice Presidency, Chief Alayi Samsumana. Oye, I ma paro poto clause 56B, ka eto eshranye ka EPC ka karin ka 2022 o na ema bene yi eto eshranga eya butskanto fi mapai do poto 1991 Constitution. Ona kutin komo yi flag bela ka EPC Samsumana nge o Samsung ka pipi aure en clause 56 bengi o pasi katsko no kele ka en PPRC kankai akone urai en clause 56B o akidika malioka lom ka pataka fumi eshitangi ka 2026 o statistics Sierra Leone na yapo benei tukyomo pantamia akere embarrass bakadreta kala akbati ka buputo yan kala ngi mobetski e dolai e million to fatisas afami hanto lokalomi ay kala ke batata no mina isra on botsne concerto no kai anjuma potro gaba komi mri tof mri wat komi gaba komi mri tamata kred ka gina ke hanto lokalomi patani ma piara ne no
Maser makata sumu itaga service ya kempo dokali Agnes Dubature na bena sisi maser mamamba karabo hiti bina tepe tapagere ntage de kali o the Vice President Obakwegen Kukumbang bago Alhaji Samuel Samsumana tepe badoma na patio konse kasembe kase tunina hoga 2028 awa umba forma de teme na ile bane wali ba kwetine do mepinde ona Sam 28 awa hopong hudong iba ko na biabi inset banking baka kwegen kumba bide tengeni ba no na din kitigi bide ba senso sosio ba no na hulu bada bide bamba do na bide kinda in na hulu bado mon ba na $1,000,000 ko in bitati bide to bide ba senso so ba 2026 beni mama ba beni ba hena Beking kende kage dongo ebe pona kuhia deta masiri ma ukunte ya Agnes Tubatsuri. Oye mitogo the president of Kakwekum, the Mona vice president tum, Emo Alhaji Bagon Samuel Sam Sumana. Ndetepe ba doma na tombaga bela rikota sohi son kitegi ka bakio de banka 2022 in BAPC benta dominante in tomba ra 1991 bang ba patio de tiesara ni bamba bang kanande ba ko ba kotiogo patio ba gutigi husigo Emon Samsumana tepe ba doma na mene tomba bamba benta huna de konkati soko hubenana ka PPRC Ogana de sarani bamba banka na ma uyuende ba niaba hunga pada ba kotiogo patio ba de hutante yetinde hanka koitinde onde tipe bado mana Psalm 28 nena tunde de game makutande mama ma bohinde ma embi pale pamtina de masiri mambi kama kutande mama ma bohibinde mam kana bide de ketigende ba deta teninwa ba no na temeande unde Samuel Samsumana ba nyo ba tita yonko in helende tengeni gende pa nyo ganina huga 2015 ba vice president Samuel Samsumana ba pokoyo kena mao Brahma Michael Ture de tengeni gende holo hiti de kwe ga humpo hu kena mahamba doma Samuel Samsumana de poga nina hudomohana 1962 kameti baga kono de tuti ga kempudu endega gita matani makena manga kwe nga hena de sende totio patio ba kana sende ba yemitogo ba ya haundi ga logo ba benana awa ka logo ba benana na bakpona ndi kana ndetengeni detepe ba doma na awande nande wo opio ka patio oga episio awande sende ba ye mama tompi maga handama bago Samsumana bakaga kotoi ema wali masesi ndema bano na patio ga episio na de kaiga kotoi wa na detengeni ba non ba titoe ba koto utenge ba nyo hukena maha numba pengitiande ba sisa patio kasembe ba kanina udome bidana 2028 detepe ba doma na unde Samsumana udome nde una Psalm 28 na pokuba pasisa patio oga episio kasembe ba katanine ta benana kana unde ponkoi ba no unde Alhaji Bagon Samuel Samsumana katomba baba ga pela ri kotoga so inki so ketegi ki tiogi in patio ga APC ga toni ba keni member ka kebine ba kanina hoga 2022 ende tepe ba do mana tomba baba na benta kayadi in tomba kende bine ba kanina hoga 1991 awana tomba baba ne detegende kage de kontimu ba halgo bi ECOWAS basa atabante bano na binde de tegende kagina bana tomba mbamba na baga 1991 ba be yamimba tomba kioba kanina hoga 2022 Alhaji Bagon Samuel Samsumana na halina una kabeni badanga de banioi na gere na de tati mopea batukuna utema de batukuna kagega patio endete pa ba doma na ona ne de tegende kage no utepe tomba awa tema de bako ba makwe ga patio na ndetse ngeni gende ga beni ba hagwande gontimu bana beni ba ga nondimba ima yoho ima maga wometi na meni ba patio ba kaga kotoi inkwegenku Hukbong hunte hu negtiri beni ba ga dine biga dina uga muslimi bi ka kwege kukumbang. Hukbong hamba mi debina se ga tabante ba nyamaye hitogo ba logo ba mpo nabiu Muhammad alu ala sisama tebe. Awa on kama logo mama bang kana domende na o sisinde umba maseba no na kwege ko na kaega kotoge. Kana binde punko igende kama kutande mama mba maboye binde mam takponi taga dinembi hawande bise ga tabante titanda gende dina bodo me binde ana Shia Amadi Menesuni binde foma biki kage takponi tena taga dina uga muslimi bi tahawande tase ga tabante ba kaga ya nyama ya togo terminto kado me binde gana opgon hangkang ndaga tapeta dentang kene bakaga misido tanteo ka metiba ka kempodo kali banate binde ga misido do me binde na Freetown Central Mosque bana ba dine bembi ke pengiti ande de bem binde se ga tabante ka nyama eto enka nya karankurano kende nya kewali beni ba hagwande tomba kote de binde ba doma na bena ni ubato prophetum wa baya haun oga paudo me binde ana Islamic Organization Justice Alhaji Abubakar King ne tengeni gende ndete pabado mana uye heni umandi hende ba kuta muslimi ba saga tabante ne tade tikage ba doma na binde kala ta binde ka kadinum tege binde sega tabante ataponi ta hawandi tatamba untomo na yati na dina wa muslimi be ya okoyo ka he basi sama tebe kabia bembe mbambise gatabante be oseko ba misho oga Shia kakwege kuga salon Sheikh Ibrahim ba unde tointa de malogo mamambang ba do mana bebe na ba tema de muslimi be foma ba nya ubato enyama yeto malogo makio nabion ndete ba do mana umba foma no wo masi ba no na unkotio ba do ma muslimi be bisega tabante anombi niya yigi profeto kenemeon Bapali otanteo ba hupon hamba Sheikh Usha Conte tepe ba doma na unye hetni umandi ba malogo mamamba ende tengeni muna hamba ga malogo mamamba ba na bia kote utenge ba malogo ma pena na ba doma na malogo mena matema de muslimi ba nya yigi etongna matimo ima yetogo ma bena na ga prophet so umoma obatsa ba tongna ba doma na uwende antagi na yohoi na binesi mogo malogo mamamba mide yawe gene kaga kotoi bani abeni ba hawani musisi muslimi biga kwege kukumba ka kotoi baila batankina maserima hupo udonge ba konda biabe inkeni ba kwege kodo mibino na statistic Sierra Leone biabe mbemba mide sega tabantega bo amakutsande batengino ababe baga senso sobo hibide banya kanina huseha Ntoni na bakonda sete baga kwege ko keni baga kwege ko kama kutande mamamba mabohe binde maka tunkuna de binde bipale pantina de masiri mambe India bi ha wande kanteni nwe binde ba nona bohe binde ba nie mawali ma kene mema kerende tepe ba da marina ona biki pete kende ba nana hulu manta ketanyo ba kolo ba kata madeki mamamba ka kotogo inagere na binde sesi da babu yo amukwemu ha wande titsanda lori kompitembe mukwemu henato mubohe binde ba nie wali na binde yole da mumboya kana onteo o baya hao ka hopo ga statistics akwege ko ga salon Andrew Bob Johnny tepe ba doma na bebe na bayo hoi ba tema de binde ba nya ba no na umu makote mawali ma kenemen and that's a provider na uko ite bino bebe na ba bia ba hagendo utenge huna bion binde on sesi ba tani no anda berba ga bia kemega sonkai bubohe binde ba ni wali bohe ba ni wali ga malogo ma benana awa umba foma helen ugo masi ba no na binde kwe ka he ba kata kwege ko ka kotwe holo inti na holo bambang bani imbe de banda be sesi umadi kuna babile banona ukaya koto nagere na holo bambamba mabesa ten baba bile sapu ko bayola batankina kama logo madun de katibi de mamene na holo bambamba na ogon niyo tena pe masirman kere bele kake kombinati pe takbagarenta gande kage oye mitsogo vice president undega kwegen kukumba kwegen ku salon alhaji pagon Samuel Samsumana ende tepe ba domana malogo ma domende ma udomende una Sam 28 una pungu mepe ba sisa parti o kaun kasembe ba na vida tema de banya ba tema de binde banya ba nona parti o sega sembe awa hopo do mo wana statistics Sierra Leone bile denge vitete ba dinta kuma se na holo ba yo le bine kutaban ba daga ma o mana dole ko i mbitati million bibena na bile bi 90 million ba ni wale ba koda bia be i keni ba kwegen ko kanina hosia tena pe masir ma ya nda gne zuba ture ingabena.
SABC TV Freetown. Freetown, this na the use with me, Catherine O'Connor, but first make I give you na the big use. First then, Vice President for Salon Alhaji Samuel Samsumana don't talk say and go make one word inside SPP party within Psalm 28 and statistics Salon already done the beg for me then give them support for the $13 billion with the for carry on with the 2026 census. Now for the sport power. First and Vice President for Salon Alhaji Chief Samsumana don't talk say the clause 56B inside the 2022 APC Constitution not in line with the country 1991 Constitution. It say inside this in one for be the presidential candidate and Samsumana say now that make in the ask the PPRC for make the party go pull 56B clause come out pending constitution. If we talk this during in Psalm 28 press conference we even talk say in one for B flag bearer for APC. This press conference here so they even talk about this was conference here so now they even talk about the kind of thing they where the first and vice president be don't do in career together with the 10 way they be asking for left the party inside 2015. Chief of Staff to the Vice President Brahman Michael Tui talk about the kind of thing they way Samsumana be don't be from 1962 we be born inside Kono to in land book 1 taken a Freetown and overseas side the land before it been be the running mates and na businessman in our industry for 2005 election. According to the first and vice president, say if we don't solve in second generation we na the APC party tranga member them for take their footstep we in grandpa when I been Chief Samsumana been continue for the do as in a be leader another one day instead one for B and seriously talk say and go continue for make sure say APC tinap tranga one. The first and vice president say in no get any cause for me or you know get any cause or anything where them go talk say na this it do or way it would not go do but anything up for make sure say victory day inside APC inside the 2028 election where they come and it no go allow anything we go tap them as even say and not to Psalm 28 we come for bring division inside the APC party when Alhaji Chief Samsumana be the answer to the question. Then it say the 56B for the APC 2022 constitution 9 the 9 day in line with the 1991 constitution, and it took Antranga one say it not let it for make ECOWAS court go rule and Yeri together with the government of Saloon, because the 1991 constitution it did for it pass all the law them and not go allow for make any ben take place. Alaji Chief Samsumana say but all we in done the big and that big day not to all mamin day is still continue for the pay in due to the party and for make they make sure say it come back na the party where in get right and na correct thing him been do, and so he don't give himself for make sure say he settle any kind of a thing where they happen inside the party. Inside message we they give for just he say he go make sure say he bring justice and make all things clear, and the number one thing we they pay attention is for make peace good day as na the foundation and for development na the party and national level. And the Forum for Islamic Organization for Peaceful Coexistence inside Saloon don't join other Muslims in the world for member and celebrate the birthday of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, where people can call Maulid Nabi and the Olam inside freedom. This celebration also been bring 3 major Islamic groups them together when are the Shia, Ahmadi and the Sunni community them, and they organize one fine march past we begin from Upgun roundabout so they can freedom central and most life with Boston Street outside them in carry on with the main activity. At the Freetown Central Mosque, plenty religious leaders, them, students, them, and community members, then stay together there for listening to sermon and the Quran. They read them, they read the different verses and talk about our Prophet Muhammad in birthday important. President for the Forum for Islamic Organization, Justice Alhaji Abubakar King, tell thanks to all who have been take part and represent the Muslim and the support we then give for camp and this kind of activity here. So in the celebration of Muhammad in birthday, the Holy Prophet we they make. Alhaji Abubakar King to Kantranga one say the birthday for the Prophet for be make all Muslim members say then for come together and hold themselves as one, as they not for take like say then are ordinary people there. The Secretary General, the representative for the Shaha Mission at Saloon, Sheikh Ibrahim Ba, talk say the day that day na blessing to all Muslim them, and say we so talk say the Prophet in birthday na fine gift to mankind, and then decide for celebrate and with them kind of activity they are get for do it march pass, then give to the one they will not get, support community projects them so that the Prophet in birthday will continue for life legacy. The Secretary General for Forum, Sheikh Usha Conte, talk about how important for the Muslim then get one word, and he said this celebration here so they show and see say every Muslim therefore come together as one and add say for honor prophets this in particular they get rank and make the bond with the Muslim them go all WhatsApp fine one, and the celebration them been done and with prayers them as them been continue for make pray make peace inside the country, unity, and for make one day between all the Muslims them, especially Muslims every day inside Saloon. Statistics Saloon don't give the word to stakeholder them for sake how they know they carry on with the ready for the 2026 population and housing census, but talk say they get small problem we get for do it small couple more we they want for complete as this no go this they threaten them for make them go able meet the time we they don't fix for this particular population and housing census waiting for begin. Inside one meeting where the Census Advisory Committee we hold, the Statistician General and senior official in the statistics salon being talk about the kind of machine them and other kind of material they really know already get for carry on with this particular activity. And some of them things they already know get now. They don't get server, tablet, power bank, motorcar satellite imagery, and one monitoring dashboard. And so we also don't get one building at the district level where they will carry on with the work. The Statistician General Andrew Bob John talk and I want to say it's important for all things clear and involve people then where it talks say the census one serious stage where they don't get over 700 field officer them way for begin this work here. So as then they carry on with the kind of progress where they don't make, they don't get the thing they're waiting for use and service of the building administrative machine. The Deputy Statistician General Salon Statistics Lance Nakane say the all way they get now they want $13 billion we still left, and it talk and say without that money they're not go able to do the activity the proper time, and it go then go get delay for carry on with the activity like waiting be happen inside 2021. We'll find out that the use done. So but before I go like you know the big use back. First and Vice President Alhaji Chief Samsumana don't talk say the clause 56B inside the 2022 APC Constitution not they in line with the country in 1991 Constitution, and for that reason they make in don't put what na do say anyone for be the presidential candidate for APC, and they ask to make the take the and they ask PPRC for make the party go remove that, go pull that 56B clause there. And for speaker the 2026 housing population census, statistics alone don't beg for make the updates then $13 billion for complete the census we then get for carry on with inside 2026. Well, family that you done with me, Catherine O'Connor. I hope you will get a lovely day, a nice weekend, and continue for the look SLBC. Tata.
In the margins of society. So there's the idea that Islam was a revolutionary message. Revolutionary in the sense that it actually wanted to overturn the social order, the cosmic order of society at the time.
The process of conversion was as straightforward as it is today. All it requires is the simple statement of faith in front of two witnesses.
The key requirement is that conversion must be the exercise of free and informed personal choice. In fact, one of the most important people in Muhammad's life, Abu Talib, who was his uncle and the head of his clan, who protected him throughout all his troubles in Mecca, never converted, despite Muhammad's best efforts to persuade him. And there was nothing he could do about it.
The most direct, the most unequivocal statement in the Quran is there is no compulsion in religion, no ifs, ands, or buts. That is the essence. Unless you make a free choice, a free, willing choice for faith, you cannot be held accountable for your actions thereafter. That's the essence of what Islam is about.
The Quran itself is quite clear. La ikraha fi ad-din is often quoted as an example from the Quran itself. There should be no compulsion in religious matters. And the Prophet said, even vis-a-vis the pagan Arabs, lakum deinukum